Right guys, we've got a major problem. So I think Texas may be cancelled because Haggie's ill. So me and Chris have protected ourselves so we can go. Haggie, how are you feeling?
COVID 21 this time, isn't it? Not well.
He's not well, so we're taking a bit of precaution. So hopefully Texas is still on.
It's the Newcastle air. That's the issue.
So Haggie is really poorly. We're actually going to send him home because we don't want to get any diseases. So guys, hopefully we've made the trip. So guys, I'm going to do a little vlog before we shoot off to Texas. Super excited. But yeah, it's all chaos here at GM. Let me just amend that. So I'm going to show you what Dale's doing. So let me show you what Dale's doing. So that is Jake's Passat, which has got the rare sunroof as well. So Dale's busy prepping it, and then once the prep is done, we'll go for service, and then we are waiting DVLA registration, and the car will be going back. Well, it won't be going back, it'll be getting picked up by Jake. So let's have a look elsewhere. So we've got Joe's Lamborghini Twin Turbo. Performante, it's coming for full service, 4 new tyres, and we're going to tune it on UK fuel because it was mapped for the last owner, Dylan, on 95 RON because it's from Ireland. Absolutely fantastic car, beautiful in green. It was one we built 2 or 3 years ago, still going strong, and yeah, so it's on the ramp ready. So when we get back from Texas, we're going to be jumping on that. And underneath, you've got the Stealth GTR, which we're waiting some tyres, wheels, and then she's ready to go to Perth as well. Right, let me take you to the main workshop. So Kyle, what is it you're working on at the moment on there?
So we've got David's Y35 in. We've just got the ABS pump back after being refurbed, and then we're going to get the brakes bled up, ABS pump is going to get calibrated, and the rear handbrake's going to get adjusted, and then we'll get the car out and road test to make sure it's all okay.
Yeah, so this car was in a few weeks ago. It hasn't actually left. We did a full service. It did have an ABS light on, and we advised the customer he needs to do the ABS pump now while it's here, so he's agreed to do that, and Kyle's just finishing that job off. James' car engine is back in, so progress is happening. Right, so Matt B is back from his holiday.
Hi.
So what is it you're doing, Matt?
I'm doing the clutches on the Jun, just a refresh on them, make sure that they're all perfect to hit some hard launches at the next event.
Yeah, because that car let us down at the last event because one of the clutches weren't in spec, correct?
Yeah. So actually, when I took it apart, it's actually had a warped clutch plate. So I've changed that out, and now both sides are in spec pretty much.
Yeah, so I've had a bit of bad luck with these clutches in terms of they are good, but every time I've took my car out, there's always been something in the clutch, but it's brand new, 26 plate, the most expensive clutch you can get. So yeah, so hopefully now it is absolutely perfect. So yeah, what are you up to next then, Matt?
I've got to put an engine on the engine stand, so a 180, and then I think I'm building Ross Fisher's engine up.
Yeah.
There.
So I'm going to give the camera to Matt, and he's going to finish the vlog off and show you what he's up to. Yeah, cheers guys.
The lads have done a brilliant job painting the engine room, and the things I'm going to get on with while they are in Texas is I've got Ross Fisher's engine, and I'm going to clean up the 180 ready for Kyle. So the first thing I'm going to do is get this in the parts washer, give it a good clean, make sure it's immaculate before it goes back on the engine stand, and then start building it. So what I do is I lay out all the parts that's going in the engine. Now all of our rods, pistons, everything have all been balanced, been off to the machine shop, and they all get done. The way you can tell is the bottom of the rods are shaved. It's something that's not really talked about much, but it does help. Or you don't have to balance the engines, but you can just add like a harmonic dampener. However, we like to balance all the engines because they go on high RPM and normally pretty big power as well. So that's one of the things that we do. So the plan is to get this engine somewhere near finished before they get back, and hopefully get the 180 into the parts washer and get it all painted up just so it doesn't look all rusty and everything like that. And hopefully when they come back, we should be able to then get this one back into the car.
So guys, that is it for today. Everybody's gone home. We're getting ready to go to Texas. So Matty, he's going to be in the engine room and looking after that side. Kev's going to be looking at the office. So apologies for slow emails and Facebook messages because we're going to be away. We will try and get back to you. But we are limited staff at GM. So bear with us, and we shall see you next week with all our TX2K videos. See you later guys.